Good morning, everyone. So, happy Thursday. How's everybody doing? Okay, so we had 8:30 news. We also have 10 a.m. news. What's really compelling to me is this weekly FEG here. We've rejected the midpoint of this 4-hour fair value gap, which is nice so far. So I want to see a continued drop. I want to see at least a change in state of delivery where we close below this 15-minute. And, move lower. However, DXY is not looking like it's bullish, so we'll see. I just laughed at my own expression. Anyway, DXY, this is the bearish order block. We inverted this. We took this high again, which is kind of weird. So I don't know, it's not really giving me too many clues. See if it ends up bouncing here, right? It sort of is. Like order block and fair value gap and the discount of the swing up. I don't know. Well, it's possible. So, yeah, I don't know. We're gonna keep it, try to stay focused. Just one trade at a time. Good morning. Yeah. But we'll see. If it doesn't give me any indication, then I don't do anything. Okay. I think right now. Okay. All right. So, another thing that's not my favorite is that we created a jagged low during London. So if we do, I don't know, we'll see. We have 10 a.m. red folder. Yeah. We'll see how it opens. We are opening in 5 minutes. So far, you guys have had a really good month here on stream. I haven't really thought about it in terms of that until the other day when one of my friends was saying that he typically has 1 or 2 losing days a month. Well, he's way more experienced than I am. He's been trading for 6 years. And I've been trading for, it's about to be 4 years in June. 2 years ICT. And my friend's been trading 6 years, 4 years ICT. And he was like, yeah, I only have 1 or 2 losing days a month. And I was like, oh, wow. And then I thought about my own month and I was like, whoa, actually I had a really good month. I only had 3 losing days. All on stream, right? Here on, so. And it's best not to think about it like that anyway. Just focus one trade at a time. Yes. Yeah, we gotta mark out when it opens the RTH gaps too, of course. So perhaps we fill the gap, the gap, and then reject. You guys did not reach into this. It's a little weaker, right? We'll see. So you see, I didn't like close below this. It didn't even like give the first indication of change in the state of delivery. So nothing really. Yeah. Nothing for me yet. We might even, I don't know. This week I don't have the most. What was that? Wait, what alert was that? Ah. Whatever. False alarm. So, let's see. Let's see. We're opening in 2 minutes. The way I said that was funny. What is that? Oh, this is that. Okay. Well, if DXY needs to cross over like a swing high, so I'll put an alert there on the 5. I will have both of them open at the open to like judge any SMTs and such. The tiniest SMT here in London, actually. Okay, we opened. We have any gap down? Yeah. The close to the open. We could just continue. Today is like a low, like I would consider it today a low LR, so we'll see. YM is dead. Okay, good to know though. Good to know that. Let's see if ES does end up reaching up into that. And maybe then they form an SNT. Maybe. Got plenty of time today. Yeah, yes is stronger. At the moment. Or you can say she's catching up, whatever. Okay. 10 a.m. pending home sales. Okay. There you go. Let's see. Cool. So we just had a 15-minute change in state of... I mean, there's 10 minutes left in that candle, but I have to think that it will close below that. Cool. Quite that push down there for NQ. I'm sure one of my friends who like plays like SMTs is definitely in that. I'm not. Not yet. We created a very large push down there. Right, so we'll see if we can get down here. Try to be the best. All right. Really, really strong push down there. Okay. Yes, I mean, really interesting how it's... It'll catch up, likely. Okay, I'm really not going to chase. I'll have to find a entry with risk defined. Today's a good day to, you know, since it's a high impact and I do expect it to be a large range day. Those types of days are better than, like, for example, yesterday was pretty choppy if you're going to try to pass like Apex accounts, for example, right? Because it's a more of a low resistance liquidity run day. I think today's the last day for 90% off, by the way. Okay, let's see. It's not bad at all, actually. Even this. I gotta take a deep breath. I'm tempted to short here. It's only like a 20-point stop. I'll try it, right? Yeah, I'll try it. I'm gonna try this short. If I get blown out of the water, it's okay. But I just do think it's still bearish. Let's see. It's my short right there. I don't know why it's always like that. Can you see that? Yeah. All right, we'll see. Change in state of delivery. Well, it has 3 minutes to confirm that, but I do think it will still close. Like a little 5-minute and a breaker. So that's where my stop is. If it retraces that much, like, then whatever, you know. Take the stop out. And I'm aiming for like London low and down there. So we'll see. I do think it's like one of those days where you have to kind of get in earlier before the news, and the news will deliver because it's like a low resistance day. But anyway, not financial advice, please. Pretty much like the 5 minute. Yeah. Okay. If I get stopped, then that's fine. Tricky, but hey, I didn't like short down here, for example. The XY is going lower, which is annoying. My risk is defined though, and I'm like aiming for a lot of points, so totally okay with it. Now we just want to see continuation lower pretty much. Let's check out ES. She's being a little weird, I guess. That's fine. Pretty good wick there. I don't really want it to come back up again. Definitely wouldn't want it to close above like 50% of this, then I'll probably get stopped, but I'd like to just see continuation lower now. But you can't always get what you want. So, we'll see. Ba-da-dum-bum. Nothing for me to do except wait now. Either like I like that there's a speed bump here into this order block, so we'll see. Yeah, the issue is ES is not like following. But that's alright. If it happens, then it happens. Let's see how this candle closes. We're digging into it again. Second drive into this. Not right the happiest that it's coming back up into here. So it might stop me out, but just let it do its job. Let the stop loss do the job. How did that 15-minute close? Yeah, it did close below. Cool. And the first 5 minutes of the next one is up, which is fine if I'm thinking of manipulation. So then I wouldn't want it. I want this candle to be like the high. I don't want it to come again. Obviously, I don't, but I'm just thinking in terms of AMD within one 15-minute candle. If I were bearish, like that should be the high of it, basically, right? Again, a decent close below it, but now we should really start going lower. And we are. But, you know, gotta wait. Stay patient. $30. Yeah. We'll see. Still, anything can happen. We have 10 minutes until the news. Wonder what will happen. I'm thinking that because of the structure, news will just start distributing lower. So I'm okay with taking the risk before the news. Really didn't get the best fill, you guys, but you know, on some of my other accounts I have like a little bit of a better fill, but that's just life, and that's still predefined risk is okay. We'll see how this candle closes. I don't really like that it's coming back again. 3 minutes left. Yeah, there's plenty of time in this candle, actually. So far, so good, you know, with how I was talking about with how that 15-minute candle was forming. So far, so good. I would like to see continued move lower now, really. And just chill. This is first target London low. Even this, I mean, even to here is like a ton of points. But I'll have to see the reaction. If we get there, of course. There's no guarantees in life. So far, I mean, pretty good. ES not doing anything. which is strange. That's why it's why I'm strong. Okay, no. So that's weird. Definitely weird. The XY is pushing lower. I don't know. I might end up getting stopped because DXY is not really pushing up higher. We'll find out. Yes, definitely weird. Anyway, gonna continue with the plan. The plan is still fine. I'm glad I didn't at least I didn't FOMO and sell down there. That would have been more uncomfortable. So yeah, I want this now. We'll see how it goes. See how it goes. I said it would be good to quickly invert that, but we'll see how this 1 minute candle closes. Would be good, because then that's like the last candle in that 15-minute. Yeah. Okay, that's looking good. Let's see like a expansion. It's expanding. It's good. Quick. Okay, and then 10 a.m. further distribution would be nice. Oh, okay, this 1 minute doesn't want to do that. So, kind of annoying. Right now it can reach back up into here. Who knows, it can even stop me out. Anything can happen now, actually. We'll find out. 10 a.m. What's ES doing? ES going higher. It's quite possible I get stopped out. I mean, we'll see. It's not really expanding as much as I would like it to in the first 30 minutes of the day. We have 10 a.m. news. Still, I'm not too fazed by it. I'll stick to the plan. Predefined risk. Quite the indecision candle. Here's the 10 a.m. news. What you gonna do? Okay, we'll see. Kind of boring, not gonna lie. I don't know what to tell you, it's just boring. Still looking fine, I mean, so I'm just holding on to this trade. Have a coffee. Even to here would be like 40 something points, would be pretty good. I mean, I'll have to assess You know, if ES is starting to follow suit, that would be good for us, for the bears at least. Right? I want ES at least close below this. Come on, bro, you can do it. Right? At least like a 15-minute change of state of delivery, like we did on NQ. Patience is a virtue, really. And this shouldn't hold up now, like for reals. So if we just chop around, it would be annoying. Right? The second time is coming into here. It wouldn't make sense for it to hold up here. So we should break below, hopefully. If you want to chop on a day, on a Thursday, high impact news, so be my guest, I guess. It's being my guest. The market makers are watching and being like, Tiny's looking for like this big move. We can't let it happen. Not on my watch. I'm legit just gonna hold it. Like if it doesn't stop me out, I'm holding it. It could, if it grinds lower than whatever, I'll be super patient. I'm not doing like micromanaging. This still. See how this 15-minute candle, what it does. I wanted to close below the previous one. This previous one's an inside one. ES is whack. So, yeah, it's whack. YM is fine. Oh, it tapped into that. The weakest one. Come on, yes, it's your turn to go lower. Whatever, if you don't want to do it, then we just try again later. Different trade. Still looks fine. So I'm literally just gonna hold it unless if it stops me out, then whatever. What's the heat map look like today? The heat map. Microsoft down 1.4%, Google down 0.8%, Apple up, Amazon down, Tesla up. It's like a mixed bag, which makes it a little difficult. Meta down 1%, Tesla up 2%. Mixed bag. Very weird action, not gonna lie. I'm gonna stay on the 5-minute, really. I'm not gonna really worry. DXY is making a new low of day. Be better if I just put this on the 5-minute to make myself chill also. Yeah. Still good, like, rejecting. So, yeah. I'm just gotta wait, and I don't know what to say. This 15-minute, we're still inside the previous one. It's sloppy, you know? Large wicks and small bodies. We have 5 minutes left, so it'd be good to now go lower within that candle down here. I've been saying that, but it keeps like just wicking. Gonna sip more coffee. I don't want it to wick again. It's gonna be annoying if it wicks again. Can we start distributing now? Alright, ES finally crossing lower. Right, so that's good. So now we should start distributing. See. Yeah, it is. It's a 5, but I wanted the 15 on ES. That is the 15. Okay. And here we are, we're at the new low. That's good. So right now, like I risked 27, I'm up 42. See how this candle closes. So I did want it to go for like more London low. You know, I've been patient the whole time. It's just starting to distribute. We'll see. That's a good sign here. So obviously now, shouldn't come back to here. Okay. Very pleased with how patient I was as it was around this area. So let's see. It's a nice strong distribution. I do think London low. We'll see when it hits that, then I will look to partial and such. Yeah. Looks good. $10-15 mental game reminder. Now there's people probably screaming at me to take partials. I did in some accounts. Relax. We'll see. Oh, yeah, my alarm messed up my. Hmm. Well, it's not working anymore. I guess my headphones might have ran out of battery. I don't know. Anyway, the 3 minute looks kind of good. Cleaner than the 5 at this point. Do do do. I wanted to reject, obviously. Pretty clean. Pretty decent. Right? Just gotta be patient. Continued patience. DXY still going lower. Not really much for me to say here. It's such a large FEG here. We did sweep that, so if we invert that, it's not gonna look good for me. Yeah, I want more lower lows, and if it's not gonna give that to me, then whatever. It's rough. We'll see. Said the blind man. Stay patient. I keep saying that, but like also DXY not helping the case. And yes, it's okay. Yeah, yes is okay. I'll find out. I'll find out in the next like 5 minutes or so. Right? It's okay for that. Don't want to get too worried about it. If I'm trading on the 5 minute, just gotta be super patient. Jagged London low has always given us issues, huh? It's still pretty decent, you know. Pretty good. It's still following bearish order flow. Someone donated. Hi D, thank you. As of 7 a.m. Eastern, I profited over 26K in 30 days, in which I have a total of 16,000. Your patience is contagious. Thank you so much. Yeah, a lot of people say that I help them be patient, so it does help me continue. So thanks for your feedback. Thank you for the donation. You know, those things do help me show up every day, continue to show up every day. So I appreciate it, you guys. And oh, I don't know, how do I make that smaller now? Appreciate it. And I'm happy I can help. So then it feels like I have some kind of purpose, right? And how would I say? Yeah. Thanks for supporting this channel. And yeah, thanks for people that do support the channel by using my code on things when they do buy things. It does help me keep the channel free with sponsorships, you know, so it's very helpful. And yeah, I'll continue to show up as long as I enjoy it, and I am enjoying it still, so appreciate it. The feedback. She's going down. I'm yelling timber. Down, down, down. Let's see it. I see it. Another inside candle. Let's see it. All right, 15 minutes. It's 10:30. Let's see. This is what trading is. It's like, figure out your plan, get to the plan. You know, even with my fill, I got a better fill on other accounts, you guys. Like, I'm up better, but yeah, sometimes this is just what happens. I guess I pressed market or something, but it's still good. You know, I stayed chill within this area. We had our little first move lower low, like you could have taken a partial. I did on some accounts. But I really want to see London low, and I want to see this, like this. That's gonna be take some time, you know. So you have to be patient if you're looking for, if you're taking it on a 5-minute. If you're taking a 5-minute setup, you better be patient enough for 5-minute candles to form, right? But anyway, I'm glad that my patience is contagious. Thank you. And yeah, you know, if you're taking your setups, you're chill about them. You know, that's good. Have Tanya in the background reminding you it's gonna be okay. It's the #1 day trading ASMR channel on YouTube. Everyone, I wonder if the chat was like freaking out as it retraced, and I was just like, it's fine. Now it's shivering lower. I wonder because like the chat does sometimes just freak out over every little move. push up, and this was completely fine. We'll see this. I would like for it, I mean, it's not really expanding quickly, so it could wick it again. So I'll have to use some discernment for this. Maybe I will take a partial. I mean, that will be like 50 points or so, right? $1,000 per contract. Oh, it's pretty good. So it's good that it's, you know, gonna be good. Close below this one. It'd be even better if it closes below this, obviously. Gotta be Barbie, Barbie girl. Yes, I didn't watch the Barbie movie. I didn't see Oppenheimer either. Here's New Love Day on NQ. I am watching. I would like ES to follow suit. I don't want to have a damn SMT here. Okay, it's looking very heavy, so that's good. It's a little volume imbalance there. It shows some heaviness. Alright, I'm gonna have a definitely an alert for London low. Come on, ES. I don't want to take a partial. Up 50 points though. Looks good. I have to remember it's a 15-minute candle, so I'm giving it time. This is the first 5 minutes of this. It could keep going. Or it could wick it and make me look like an idiot, right? Oh, yes, you're being annoying. I will take... So annoying. I'll take a partial, you guys. I have to. 'Cause I'm gonna look stupid if I don't. Okay, partial. Booked like 45-ish points, I think. And then like stop is break even now, right? So I would think. Right, let me just check. Yeah, I would think it shouldn't. It's maybe another swing high on the 5. So high is 34. Yeah, pretty much stops at break even. I give myself like another 2 points or so. Yeah. Okay, so 40 something points, 45-ish points they're booked. I'm glad I did take that partial. Because we could have some tomfoolery. So we'll see. Because it loves to do this wickiness. And, you know, if it retraces again, then I won't be as, stressed, I guess. Not that I was stressed much at all. I think I was fine. Wonder if ICT has been watching. He must be proud. He's proud of me. You guys, I was looking at, no, I saw some video from the Huberman Lab. I do listen to his podcast, good stuff there. And what did I want to say? And oh yeah, so they were talking about like, I posted on my Instagram story if you guys saw it, but it was a good video talking about cognitive performance in children, and like they were giving them feedback after they completed the task. There was a control group, right? They didn't get any feedback, and there was the group of children that got positive feedback that related to their intelligence, such as like, oh, you're so smart. And the other group was based on effort. Like, oh, you tried really hard, good effort, whatever. And Thank you for the donation. D Green. Thanks, everyone. Congrats, D Green, by the way, on your huge... I had a huge month, too. Alright, let's see. Okay, ES made a new low, which is good. Let's see if we hit this London low. Let's see. Yeah, then that would be a good amount of points. Ooh, let me see my other accounts, too. Forget about them sometimes. Okay. Gucci. I don't really like to talk about exactly how much money I make every day because it doesn't matter day by day. I post like my payouts and such. And, you know, share how many points. I think it's irrelevant, the money, because it's very scalable. And I've started to get to a part where it's, you know, really scalable. And if you think about it in terms of money, you might get freaked out. Right? Like, oh no, I was up $1,000. I didn't book the money or whatever. Well, if you were looking to make 3,000, that was fine. Alright, let me think. Well, we're probably gonna trail it to the opening of this candle, right? Yeah. 1850. Really nice push lower. I finally caught a huge move on stream. I'm quite happy about it. Don't call me goat or anything, though. I'm very aware that things can change at any time, you guys. The market can humble you at any point, okay? But we have had a really good run this month on stream, I would say. B-A-R-B-I-E, Barbie girl. I do like, you can call me the people's princess of day trading. That's funny. Or futures, or NQ princess, or ICT princess, whatever. That's fun. I think that's fun. Alright, here we go to London low. Finally, ES is catching up. Okay, London low is booked. I mean, that's 877 points. From here to here is another 30. I think I'm just gonna book that though. Alright, 70 points there booked. I'm quite happy with the performance today. Well, we'll continue watching. I just, you know, I had 2 contracts and that's just how I have to manage it. I will want to see if the weekly objective is met here within this AM session. I just personally am thinking about, okay, if I don't take my profit and we retrace to like here, I'm gonna not feel very comfortable. So yeah, that's it. I took the money. We did a great job today. I will open up the chat now. Alright, so text and markers, I let everyone know when I get in and get out and such, and pretty much started the stream with that, the game plan, I think, today. One of my best days, I think, on stream is today. So I'm pretty happy about that. And yeah, we're doing great. We're doing great, guys. Just stay even keel. I do take deep breaths after. I don't get so excited. I don't know. It's not. Okay, I'll give you guys a smile. Everyone's like, can you smile? Okay. Let's check out the chat. How is it going? Let's see if it gets to the objective, which is this much. So another 30 points would be 100 points, but I'm okay with taking this, like I said. Huge candle there. I'm very proud of myself for holding through this nonsense. I mean, it was fine, but it was required a lot of patience, right? And even this retracement. Okay, let's see. I'm looking at the chat now. 3,400 people watching. Oh my god. WWW. I see a lot of W's. Where are the haters now? I don't know. They're in their mom's basement. I don't really pay attention to them too much. It's just like 40-year-old men with burner accounts. I mean, I see that some people have told me that there's one that just calls themselves a burner account, which is funny. We'll see. I want to see. I would think, you know, if this is heavy, it looks very heavy and good, it could just, the next candle could reach it, right? Love this stream, non-existent haters. Yeah, how can you hate me? I just do my best. How long did it take to become consistently profitable? Good question. I get that question a lot. For me, the timeline's a little bit difficult because I did take breaks. I took like a 2 or 3 month break when I had ACL surgery. That was a difficult time in my life. Can we talk about DXY still going lower? I mean, I'm fine with it. I'm glad I took the partials there. I mean, took my position off, by the way. See, like, I even with this small retracement, I just simply wouldn't feel that comfortable anymore. I feel like in front of 3,400 people. But anyway, you know, I'm sure people passed a ton of accounts. Like I said, it was a good day to pass. It's a good day to pass accounts. Low resistance liquidity run, pretty much, meaning we were making lower highs and lower lows, right? We weren't coming out and stopping people before going to the target. So, to review again what happened, we reached up into the 4-hour FEG and we had 15-minute change in state of delivery, but also just a 5-minute market structure shift with a bearish breaker, 5-minute FEG, and that was the play. Can't ask for more, really. I think I'm pretty pleased with my performance. Yeah, I'm quite pleased, I think. Thumbs up? Yeah, thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I think I deserve that, right? Give the video a thumbs up. Better be at least 1,000 likes on this, or else I'm not streaming tomorrow. How do I only get 3,400 people watching 800 likes? And I'm killing it every day. Every day this week's been a win. How is it possible? It's random, you guys. It's random. ICT doesn't work. Where is he? He should come through. He should be here. Now he's probably like booking it on his own account. That was the theory I had with my friends. Was like ICT would stream on like high resistance days, like no news days, day after holiday, where it's like just bad action. And teach people a lesson, but also just like it's better than, because like then there's less pressure, and when on the high impact days, the low resistance, then he's probably making money in his own accounts and such. But that's just the theory. I'm pretty happy with being able to, first off, like the last couple of days, high resistance conditions, being able to perform there, and then recognizing today's low resistance and performing here as well, right? So let's see, any other questions? I forgot, where's the anyway, thanks. Another way you can thank me is if you feel like buying an account, like use Tanya Trades as the code. That does help out the channel, helps me just keep the channel free. And like I don't have any, I'm sorry you guys, I don't have a mentorship or a Discord, and I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna show up here and stream for free. I'm telling you that the prop firms are watching me. They do watch my show. It's kind of funny. Someone told me that Top Step TV gave me a shout out yesterday. I think 2 of them, which was cool. It's cool. We're being recognized a little bit, but I'm still not so. I get invited to like some podcasts and such. I have not accepted anyone's request for me to be on their podcast. I just don't think. I think personally, I'm not there yet, or I'm not comfortable with it, or I just think that I provide more value just showing up here live trading than just, I don't know, sitting and talking about something. I talk on my own show, but maybe I will end up being comfortable because I do understand people like the visibility and such, but I'm just going to do what I've been doing, what I'm comfortable with, to be able to continue to show up. Let's see, Tanya. Please don't go next 1 hour. Literally, okay, we got 1,000 likes. I will stream again tomorrow. So, what was I trying to say? I thought I was going to look at something. I was trying to do something. Oh yeah, the person that donated $50, I want to see their complete message because I was still trading. Oh, thanks everyone, D Green. Okay, D Green said, as of 7 a.m. Eastern, I profited over $26,000 in all 30 days, in which I'll have a total of $16,228 withdrawn by tomorrow. Your patience is contagious to the point it improved my discipline while trading my own model. Thank you for sharing your journey. Okay, awesome. Thank you, D Green. Appreciate you. And yeah, you could have your own model, and if you're not level-headed, you can mess up your performance, and that's a very big difference whether you took a loss because of your model not playing out that day, which is fine, or if you took a loss because of your own performance, such as, for example, if I had cut the trade here, if I had, done something like that, then that would have been a big issue, performance issue, right? So I'm happy I took my profit there at London Low. We took that W. Couldn't be happier, I think. I always have to take a deep breath to sort of like ground myself, level myself out. Okay, so let me see my phone. Let's see if Castillo, my assistant, sent me any questions. Been killing it. Tiny Trace, are you trading the current contract or we switch to the next one? Current contract. We're not switching to the next one for a while, I think, right? You check bar chart and you see which one has the most open interest. Wow, 3,800 people were watching. Okay. Well, we will see you guys tomorrow then. Have a great day. Don't be a degenerate today. If you made money, stay safe and keep the money. And if you are down today, it's okay. There's always another trade in another day. Ciao.